introduce myself. My name is Fabian Saikoni with name 19 25 17 26 26. Here I will present about computer and hardware. And hardware. What is computer? A computer is an electronic device derived from the Latin word computer, which means to calculate instantly. A computer can receive, store, manipulate, and output data or information. Computer were originally designed to perform mathematical calculation, but as technology has advanced, they can now process various types of data such as sound, image, and text. Overall, a computer is a flat device that handles data through programmed inputs, ranging from simple calculation to complex simulation. Computer fungsi data input complaints are compatible of receiving information of data from external source. This data is easily received through first received on the keyboard, mouse, or from other computer and or device. Data processing. The primary function of a computer is to process data, trigger producing output in the form of information. Data strong. Computer can store data, making it easier for user to access and research it. This data can be stored in internal memory, external storage such as a hard disk drive, solid state drive, or cold store. Computer component. Input component function to provide commands and data to the computer. Example of input component include the keyboard, mouse, scanner, and microphone. These components allow user to interact with the computer and provide the data needed for processing. Component. Processor components are responsible for processing user commands and processing data before produce output. Example of these components include the processor, motherboard, hard drive, and RAM. Component output. Output component function of to display process information to user. Commonly used output component include monitor, speaker, and printer. Monitor display visual information, the speaker produce sound, and printer produce physical copies of processed document. Understanding hardware. Hardware is the physical component of a computer system that can be touched and felt, unlike software, which is digital. Hardware encodes all the physical devices that support the implementation of a computer system. Hardware is computer system is physical equipment that adds as the means of executing va- various process controlled by software hardware ac- accomplished a wide range of component from input device like keyboard and mic to output device like monitor, printer to strong device like hard drive and SSD in order words hardware can be described as the physical backbone of a computer system, featuring interface between humans, brainwave, and software. Selanjutnya, fungsi function hardware. The function of hardware in a computer are extensive and complex as type hardware has a specific role in carrying out its text. Main function of hardware data processing. Number one, data processing. Number two, data storage. Number Number three, user interaction with the system. Number four, providing output. Hardware example and their function. Hard drive. A hard drive is the primary storage device in a computer. Its function is to primary store data. HDD hard disk that hard disk drive uses magnetic plaster to the store data large company but slower rate where speeds than SSD. SSD solid state drive used flash memory technology with is faster, more durable, and more energy efficient than HDD keyboard. A keyboard is an input device used to enter data and process. Mechanical keyboard, known for its high durability and comfortable typing, marble keyboard more effort with a thin and light design. Camera. Computer cameras such as webcam are used to capture image or video. Motherboard. The motherboard is main circuit board that connection all the hardware component in a component. PU, Central Processing Unit. The CPU is often referred to as the brain of computer. Its function includes executive instruction, controlling multitasking process and processing data. Other devices and now, components such as the GPU processing unit for processing graphics and the PSU power supply unit for pro- providing electrical power are also important part of the hardware. Computer and hardware convolution. A computer is an electronic device used to process data into useful information for a computer to function properly, it resumes hardware as its primary physical component. Hardware performs essential functions such as receiving input, processing data, storing data, and display result. Computer and hardware work together to assist humans in various tasks and daily active. Thank you. That is all for me from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.